Hello guys, today we'll discuss about control flow state of JavaScript. We can see here that if else, while, do while, for, switch, break, continue, return, ternary operator. So these are the things we'll discuss one by one. So first I'll discuss about if condition. In here we can check it. If the condition is true, then it will go inside and it will execute the statement. So the if statement will execute when the condition is true. If we have the if else condition, मतलब ये वाला condition नहीं होगा तो else में जाएगा. So for that we have to use the else concept. If and else. Okay. So if else का मतलब हो गया if the condition is true then it will go inside. If the condition is not true, then it will come to the else block. So this is the one diagram where we can understand how if and else works. So this is the condition. If the condition is true, then it will come to the if block. If it is false, then it will go to the else block. If the condition is true, then it will come inside the if block. If the condition is not true, then it will come to the else if block. In the else if, it will check the condition again. So in here, if the condition is true, then it will come inside the if else block. Otherwise, it will goes to the directly to the else block. So this is how if else works. The next is while loop. While loop continues as long as the condition is true. ये condition जब तक true रहेगा ये loop तब तक चलते रहेगा. We can see the diagram also. So this is the condition. If the condition is true, then it is going to the while block. Then it will go continue and it will come to the condition again. एक बार फिर से condition check करेगा. If the condition is again true, then it will goes again into the while block. ऐसे फिर से condition check करेगा. Condition if come false, then it will come to the end. Means it will go out of the loop. So this is how the while loop works. Then we can come for the do while. So do while means first the statement will execute, then it will come for the condition. If the condition is true, then again it will go for the statement to execute. Then again come for the condition. If the condition is false, then it will come for the end. So in here you write do, then the statement, then the while. So this is the expression or the condition. If this condition is first, it will execute. Then it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then again it will come here. If the condition is false, then it will just go out of the loop. So this is actually do while loop. So what is the difference between while and do while? For while we can see first it will check the condition. Based on the condition it will go inside the loop, right? But for the do while, at least one time the statement will execute. Then it will check the condition. Then based on the condition, it will either execute the do statement or it will go out of the loop. The next, I'll just discuss about the for loop. For loop means the for loop has three expressions. See, first I am doing the initializing, then the condition checking, then we are doing some increment or decrement. So based on condition, it will execute the statement. So what is first the initialization is happening, then it's checking the condition. If the condition is true, then it is coming inside the loop, for loop. Then the statement will execute. Then the increment and decrement will happen after that. If the increment decrement is happened, then again it will check the condition. Then again it will check the condition. If the condition again true, then it come inside again inside the loop and it will execute the statement. Then again the increment or decrement will happen or this action will be performed. So after that it will check the condition again. If that condition false, then it will go out of the loop. Means the loop ends. Now I'll go for the switch. So for the switch, I can see we have written an expression. So based on the expression, we have some different case. So this is the case number one. Here I have given case variable name 1, then case variable name 2, then default. So for the diagram perspective, this is the expression. A है केस वन, दिस इज द केस टू, दिस इज द केस थ्री. तो केस वन में क्या हो गया, मान लो केस वन के साथ इसका वैल्यू मैच हो गया, देन इट विल जस्ट गो इनसाइड मीन्स ट्रू, then it will execute this statement, right? Then it will not check anything, then it will just end the loops. Okay, because I am putting the break statement, I'll discuss how the break works. Then if the expression will match with the value 2, तब क्या होगा, तब value 2 जब match हो जाएगा, then it will again the condition will be true. So condition true हो जाएगा तो इसके अंदर जाएगा केस, value 2 का अंदर जाएगा, then the statement will be executed, then again it ends the loop. तो मान लो वैल्यू 1 वैल्यू 2 वैल्यू 3 कुछ नहीं मिला, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट हम लोग कुछ लिख के रखेंगे जहाँ पर हम लोग को पता चलेगा that the expression does not match any case. Okay, after that also it will end the loop. So this is how the switch works. Then what is the ternary operator? Ternary operator का मतलब हो गया जो कंडीशन है ना, तो कंडीशन के बाद ये जस्ट चेक करेगा, if the condition is true then the first block will be executed, then this is the colon. If the condition is the not true then the second block will be executed. हम लोग ऐसे मल्टीपल स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट कराना है ना, then is good to use ternary operator. So I'm giving the condition here, if 2 less than n, then just go to the console. See, it's going inside the if because this condition is satisfied. Now I'm giving else. If the condition is not satisfied, now I'm giving n equals to 1. It's 2 less than 1. No, it's not. Then it will come to the else condition, right? So I'm giving one print also inside else loop. See, it came inside the else loop and is giving me the result inside else. Now, if I use if else if, here I'll check that n should be less than 1. So in here I just created one if else loop also, because this is the if else, then again I created if else. N now 1, so first it will check 2 less than 1, no, the condition is not true. Then it will check, okay, 1 is less than 1, no, so this condition also not true. Then it will come this else block, we can check it. Here we can create also nested if else. Nested if means like let n equals to 2, then if n less than 10, then inside also I can create nested loop if n less than 2, like that. So now we can discuss about the while and do while. While, so I'm giving one condition, while I not equals to 0, so in here I just assign it I equals to 5, then I'm consoling it. हम लोग को बार बार चेक करना पड़ेगा, ये लूप इन्फाइनाइट लूप नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब इन्फाइनाइट लूप हो जाएगा तब मेमोरी क्रैश हो सकता है और कुछ ब्लॉकिंग हो सकता है, वही परफॉर्मेंस खराब हो सकता है, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. सो वी शुड थिंक अबाउट दैट. तो मैं ऐसे चेक करते रहूँगा. सी आई हैव जस्ट गिवन द कंडीशन, देन आई एम प्रिंटिंग इट, राइट. देन अगेन इफ आई डू नॉट समथिंग on I, then it will goes continuously. See, it's going infinitely. I'm just forcefully stopped it. So I have initialized I equals to 5. Then I'm checking if I not equals to 0. Then I'm printing it. So I'm giving here I minus minus. So means, so this condition is true. Then it's printing. Then I'm I minus minus means it will be like 5 to 4. Then 4 not equals to 0. Yes, it will come inside. So like that it will print. See, 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2 1, because it's printing for 5 to 1. When this condition 0, it comes to 0, then this condition will be not satisfied. Then it will just come outside of this loop. So this is while loop. Okay, now we'll discuss about this do while. Let's see what will happen. See, it is giving 5 4 3 2 1. So what is happening? So first it will print. So first it will go to the do statement, it will print the I, then it will just decrementing I, then it's checking the condition, means I, the value of I is right now 4. So 4 not equals to 0, this is right, true. Then it will come this do loop again, then it will just print the I again, and it will do I minus minus, means it will be 3 right now. So 3 not equals to 0, yes. Then it will go like this. So when I comes to 0, then 0 not equals to 0, so it's false. Then it will just come outside of the loop. So that is how the do while loop works. Now we'll discuss about the for loop. For means, in here I'm just initializing with some value, I'm giving the condition, then I'm doing the I plus plus. In here also you have to think about, when you write the condition, the loop should not be infinite. So I'm printing I here. So first I initialize the I, then it will check the condition 0 less than 5. Yes, true. Then execute the statement. Then it will print 0. Then again it will increment 0 plus plus means 1. 1 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. Then it will come inside again. 1 plus plus means it's 2. 2 less than 5. Yes, true. Then it will come inside means it's 3. ऐसे ही 3 जब इंक्रीमेंट होगा 4 हो जाएगा, 4 के बाद जब 5 हो जाएगा, तो 5 less than 5, no, it's false. Then it will just break the loop, it will just go outside of the loop. This is how the for loop works. If I equals to 2, then break the loop. ठीक है, मैं यहीं पे जस्ट कंसोल कर रहा हूँ. जब ब्रेक का डिस्कशन करेंगे तो दिमाग में रखना, ब्रेक हमेशा नियरेस्ट लूप को ब्रेक करता है, मतलब नियरेस्ट लूप से वो आउट हो जाता है. ओके, इसको रन कराता हूँ. तो अब क्या था, 0 1, राइट. तो फर्स्ट इट विल चेक द कंडीशन 0 लेस देन 5. ओके, देन गो इनसाइड. देन इट विल चेक दिस कंडीशन अगेन, 0 equals to 2, no no. Then it will print this 0. Then again it will be increment 1. 1 equals to 2, no. Then it will come here, then it will print 1. Then 1 plus plus means 2. 2 less than 5 is true. Then it will come inside. 2 equals to 2, yeah, it's right, the condition is true. Then it will go inside. Then it's reading break. Break means it will just come outside of the for loop. So that is how break works. Now I'll go for the continue. So you can see the continue how it works. First it will check the condition 0 less than 5, yeah, true. Then again it will just check 0 equals to 2, no. So then it will just print the I. Then again it will check 1 less than 5, yeah. Then it will come here, it will check the condition again, no, it's not matching. Then it will print 1 again. Then again 1 will be incremented by 2, yeah. Then this condition is true. Then it will coming to here. Continue means it terminates this loop and it will go immediately the next iteration, it will not come to here. So you can see the true is not printing here. Now we'll discuss about the switch. स्विच में क्या होता है? स्विच में हम लोग का ऐसे कुछ एक्सप्रेशन रहेगा व कुछ इससे कंडीशन रहेगा, एंड ये पे बहुत सारे केसेस रहेंगे जहाँ पे मान लो तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारा कंडीशन है, अब उस कंडीशन को तुमको चेक करना है, तो तुम ऐसे इफ एल्स के बारे में इतना लिखोगे, इससे अच्छा तुम स्विच भी लिख सकते हो। जैसे मैंने कलकत्ता लिखा है, तो बेस्ड ऑन द कलकत्ता it will come to here. So first it will check it's Bangalore, no. Then it will come to here, it's Delhi, no. Then it will come to this here, then oh it's a Kolkata, yes right, it's matching. Then it will execute this statement and it will break the loop. Okay, I'll show you. Yes, now you can see it's printing I am staying in Kolkata. Right, now if I'll change this city name to Bangalore, then what will happen? So first it will check this condition. Okay, if this condition is satisfying, means it will print this. Okay, it will execute this statement and after that it will break the loop. Suppose I am giving nothing to the city name, so what will happen? So it will check all the condition but it will not meet any condition, then it will come to the default, by default value. So by default it will give me the I am staying in India. So this is how the switch works. So now we'll discuss about the ternary operator. I have defined n equals to null here, and I can see, so null means we already discussed, null behave like a false. So now it will print I am Koeli. Oh, sorry. So now it will print I am Koeli. You can check it. Right. Now if we'll give something here, right? Means n is true right now. So it will print hello, I am Sachin. This statement will print. See, hello, I am Sachin. So this is how the ternary works. I have explained all the control flow state. If you guys don't understand anything, please let me know. Please do the comment. Then I'll help you out. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe and like if you like the video.
Thank you guys for watching the video. We will meet in the next session.